Morning, everyone. Excuse me. It's 8:42, and it's a very snowy day here in Boston. Uh, I've already been out, but it's pretty ugly. There's a foot or so of snow. Nice, heavy pain in the ass to shovel snow. Okay, all that said, today's Thursday, and Thursday is Claims Day. So for your video number 560, we have initial claims moving up 23,000 to 885. So that's 2 weeks of gain. And last week was also revised higher. Continuing claims are down 273 at 5,508,000. Still a high number, but still moving in the right direction. And housing starts were 1.2% versus 0.7 expected, with all of the growth coming in the multifamily. Uh, LENNAR reported last night, and it was about unchanged, but this morning, after the call, I guess, it's 76.85. It's up $2.50. Roku, major coup for them. Their stock is 349, up 23.18, over 7% on the inclusion of HBO Max into the Roku channel. Rite Aid and General Mills up, earnings up, revenues up. Guidance for both RAD, Rite Aid, 1959, up 248 or 14.5%. General Mills, not so much, 59, up 8 cents or about 0.1%. The futures were higher before those numbers, but right now the Dow is showing up about 94 or 95. I have seen it up as much as 140 earlier this morning, and the S&P is up 15, and the NASDAQ looks to be opening up about 57. So that's pretty much it, except for the futures, which are unbelievable. The star clearly is on the screen with a new all-time high just under 24,000. Bitcoin is up a remarkable 11.5%, 23,355, up 2,425. It was up right from the get-go last night, but when my head hit the pillow, we were still up only about 950 or 1,000. So we've really accelerated out of here. There's, pretty much no way to have, a decent idea of where it stops. As you can see, the high here way back when was 20,650, and we were almost there last night at 20,260 high and at 19,730. But as I said, we have moved substantially higher. In any event, that's the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not alone here. We also have the oil up again, and it's up 36 cents. And all of these little moves really seem to be building on it. Here's the better view of this. Look at the 9 month. As you can see, we consolidated across. We moved up last week on Thursday on the 10th, and we have just continued to go sideways to up. We had a little breakout yesterday, and this morning we have been 48.59 already, with the last 48.18. So healthy and on the upside. And last but not least, the gold. The gold is up another 27. We are actually long the Newmont calls in this, and it looks like we're gonna head, at least now that we've broken through the 50-day, we now have the 100-day above us. And what's interesting here is that all of these are higher the lowest, the bottom one here, is the 200 day. So we're above the 200, the 50, the 100, the 5, and the only one standing in our way is the 100 day, and it's all the way up at around 1910. So last on this 1885 has some room to run, and clearly looks like it wants to break higher. If I extended this line, I'm going to guess we would be almost right on it. Let's take a look. So it comes in right around the 100 day. So we have two headwinds there. But, as I said, that 100 day is still $30 above where we are, and we're up 27. All right, everyone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also the futures are just 1 or 2 short of being at our maximum. So if you're interested, please let me know as soon as possible.